everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this crossed lines stitch pattern. This is a fairly pretty stitch to work. It's quite easy and it's great for those reversible projects. It's not too thick and it's similar on both sides of your work. Today for the tutorial I'm going to be using a worsted weight or medium weight yarn. This is the Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling yarn by Lion Brand. It's 100% acrylic. I will also be using a H8 or 5mm crochet hook, and this is the Birchwood hook by Rowan Yarns. So thank you so much for joining me. You'll find descriptions to these items down in the, links to these items down in the description of this video. Also down in the description you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions on richtexturescrochet.com. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe. Take a look around. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials such as this one. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. We're going to start by taking our yarn and hooks and making a slip knot, and then by working a foundation chain. Your foundation chain today will need to be a multiple of 2 stitches plus 1. Today I am going to chain a total of 21 stitches. Just a note as we're getting started, today I will be working with American crochet terms. Once you have your foundation chain worked, you're going to begin row 1 by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then single crochet into each stitch all the way across. At the end of row 1, you're going to chain 3. Your chain 3 here and throughout will count as a double crochet stitch, and turn your work. Now for row 2, we're going to simply work a double crochet into the next stitch, and then double crochet into each stitch all the way across. At the end of row 2, you're going to chain 3 and turn your work, which counts as a double crochet stitch. We're now going to work some of our crossed stitches. So to begin, we're going to skip the next stitch and work a double crochet into the next. You're then going to work a double crochet into the previous skip stitch. So bring your hook back. You're working around the double crochet just worked. Insert your hook from front through to back, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops twice. You're going to repeat that all the way across. Skip the next stitch, double crochet into the next, and then work a double crochet into the previous skipped stitch. Repeat all the way across until you have 1 stitch remaining. Once you come all the way across at the end of your row 3 and have 1 stitch remaining, that is your turning chain. You're going to work 1 double crochet into the top of your turning chain. You can then chain 3 and turn your work. Now as far as the repeats in the pattern, that is it. For the rest of the pattern, you're simply going to repeat your row 2, which is your double crochet into the next stitch, and in each stitch all the way across, and then repeat your row 3, which was your double crochet, followed by crossed double crochet stitches all the way across, and that's it. So for the rest of the pattern, simply repeat rows 2 and 3, then fasten off, weaving your ends, and that is how you worked your cross line stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, don't forget to subscribe if you happen to make something out of this stitch, and share it on social media. Do be sure to tag Rich Textures Crochet. I always love to come by and admire your work. I'll see you next time. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.